put some oil in the frying pan. Then you're going to saute your onions. You can put garlic in if you want also. But I have chicken right here with onion and garlic, so I'm not going to use any more garlic. So you just saute this up for a minute. So after you saute it for about a couple minutes, I'm going to add my spinach in here. Add all your spinach. Okay, you can cover it. I don't have a cover. Let it sit for about 5 minutes in here. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my ricotta. Use about I'm going to use 3 spoonfuls. 2. Vegan dinners. 3, or vegetarian, I think. So half a jar of this is 15 now. So I got my 3 scoops here. And you're going to stir it up. Okay, then I want to use some almond milk. This is what I drink. You're just going to pour a little bit in. That's good. A little bit. Alright. Stir it up a little bit. And you also are not gonna, you have to forget not to season it. Salt and pepper to your liking. I'm gonna use some lemon pepper since I don't have lemon. And a little of my favorite Creole seasoning. I'm gonna stir it all up. I turned my stove up a little bit. Gonna stir it all up. Keep stirring. And lastly, guys, if you have leftover pasta or just make some pasta, you just add it to it. So that's all our pasta. And all I'm going to do is just stir everything up. So my fire is now on low, and I'm stirring. And there you have it. So if you're like vegan or vegetarian, you can do this. If you're not and you like meat, guys, feel free to add some chicken to it. Chicken tenderloin. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. And I'm out. Deuces. Peace.